Welcome, students of the second part of chapter 4, an officer and a gentleman from English Prairie. So, let's get started. In 1997, Colonel Vasant was posted in Kashmir. He had read the story of Kashmir as a child, but was still not prepared for the conflicting emotions that hit him when he saw the situation firsthand. It was the first time of Colonel Vasant that he was encounter about the situations that he was saw at the time when he was in Kashmir in 1997. It was the conflict, the emotions that it was take over upon him about the situation that he saw in Kashmir. That's why in letter he explained. In a letter to his family, he described about a typical counterinsurgency operations. That means a military actions against people fighting their own country. It means that he was across with such peoples who was a citizen of India, but he was that they were just against the own government. Here is the letter that the Colonel Vasant wrote. When I were knocking on door in the village, I would first request the family to evacuate the building so that we could deal with the terrorist. How was the situations during those time when he was posted in Kashmir? The villagers would watch with helplessness as his house got destroyed in the heavy gunfight. So during the encounter with terrorists, peoples were helpless. Which which people? That means what type of peoples that became helpless? Who was belongs to Kashmir. Kashmiri peoples were helpless because they don't have any choice to move or to evacuate the place. So because of heavy gunfight, their houses got destroyed. Even if he managed to escape being killed, so sometimes what happened, there was casualty also took place. Many peoples lost their life because of casualty at the time when they just tried to manage to escape. During that time, most of the peoples died or most of the peoples were killed due to that, because of that situations. But what could we do? Our duty was laid out in simple terms: to eliminate the terrorist. Later, along with my men, I would do my best with whatever resources I had. It means that जो भी whatever the equipments that they were provided by the commanders in order to evacuate the terrorist, they just used to give their 100%. So here I had to try and restore his property. House could be rebuilt, but the tragic part was the animal suffering. The nomadic villagers values his livestock more than his life. तो घर को दोबारा बनाया जा सकता है. The houses can be restored, but the tragic part, what was the tragic part? The tragic part was the human being as well as animals who lost their life during this time of encounter. The nomadic villagers value his livestock more than his life, but when he has to flee in hurry, they can be the casualty. So that's why casualty, how it happens, सिविलियन कैसे मारे जाते, जब ड्यूरिंग एनकाउंटर के टाइम में भाग दौड़ में द कैजुअलिटीज it becomes more and more at that time. This is the saddest part that the Colonel Vasant he mentioned in his letter to their family. I will perhaps never get over. वो कहने भी लगे इन जो भी घटना है, वट एवर द इंसिडेंट दैट टुक प्लेस ड्यूरिंग दोज टाइम व्हेन ही वॉज पोस्टेड इन कश्मीर, वो समय वो कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. दैट ही मैंशनड his, I think his heart became very upset because of that incident that he saw and suffered. Throughout his 18 years as an officer in the Indian Army, Colonel Vasant stood by his beliefs and instilled his values in the man he commanded. He was commanded. In October 2006, he was appointed as the commanding officer. See, during at the time when he was selected commanding officer, when he was selected as a commanding officer, October 2006. That means he promoted to the higher rank. 9 Maratha Light Infantry, the battalion was posted in Jammu and Kashmir. This is the name of the group of army groups names. Colonel Vasant, who was attached with this group, or you can say with this company or troops. His men quickly came to look upon him as a fair-minded officer, never want to lose his temper. In fact, the angrier he got, the quieter his voice grew. जब वो गुस्सा हो जाते थे एट द टाइम, तो वो उनके आवाज़ धीमा हो जाते थे. he raised his voice, he never scolded with a louder voice to their juniors. Quite surprisingly, this had a greater disciplinary effect on his men than any amount of shouting might have had. So what a wonderful that characters of Colonel Vasant. He knows how to control the temper. He was always used to control the tempers. This had a great disciplinaries. So it's a sign of one of the great discipline. It also earned him their unquestioning trust. The CEO's greatest reward came on a summer night in early 2007 when his troops emulated these values. So their troops were awarded with a greatest reward that on a summer night in early 2007 when their troops emulated, that means action that they showed in that same value what they altogether did. At the time tensions were running high, militants were crossing the border regularly. A recent gun battle had left a soldier dead. The Indian soldier found a man hiding in the thick foliage. They did not set their guns blazing but asked for the identity and then took him into custody. They found that he was an ex militant who wanted to surrender as he was missing his family. This humane conduct by the troops was appreciated by the colonel. At the time of tension moment, during those time it was very tense environment in Kashmir. Military were crossing the border during that time. So during crossing, the Indian soldiers found a man who was hiding in thick foliage, and at that time he was asked to introduce himself. And then what happened, they found that he was ex-militant and wanted to surrender because he was missing his family. So this human conduct by the troops was appreciated by the colonel. So this kind of humanity that not only that Colonel Vasant had, including their troops also. What he written in a note commanding his men, he said, during commanding, he said, your human attitude coming barely 72 hours after gunning hardcore terrorists in the same area is praiseworthy. You have not only proved yourself to be warrior, you have proved yourself to be gentlemen warriors. See, in note it is written here that mentioning about the humanity. What humanity? That he was a gentleman warriors. He has a heart of human. After all, he is a human being. But in a tough life, that heart becomes stony when the persons continuously just in a temptations, that heart becomes stony if the persons continuously in the same situations. So it is very hard to be make the heart to be kind, but colonel was very different persons. So in this here it is written, in such difficulty time Colonel Vasant did everything to uphold the term moral. After another successful operation he wrote in praise of his man, with my own eyes I saw your indomitable courage and aggressive spirit during combat and felt proud to be a part of you. So here how he was close to his troops. He praised his troops. All these operations got successful by their troops. He never gathered the praising, but he gave the credit to their troops also. On 31st July, his troops surrounded terrorists in a forest, blocking their escape route in the Uri sector in Kashmir. Again, the daring officer led from the front and held gun down the terrorist. Tragically, he was hit by bullet and he passed away at the hospital. So, it was the saddest movement on 31st July when his troops was surrounded by terrorists in the jungle and blocking their escape routes in Urik sector, Kashmir. But the daring officer, Colonel Basant, he never feared. He never feared of anything. Still, he was leading at the in that in that tragic moment. What happened during when he was leaded their troops? Unfortunately, he was heated. He was hit by a bullet, and in a moment he was passed away in that movement. He ensured that all 8 infiltrators were wiped out even as he laid down his life for the nations. He was a true soldier, was dedicated to the country and his force, then Chief of Army Staff General J.J. Singh, and after Colonel Basant, martyrdom. See how he was brave. He stopped more and more infiltrators who tried to hidely, secretly used to get enter into the territories of India. So during those time he stopped infantry by doing several operations in his time. In honor of the sacrifice, the nation awarded him the Ashoka Chakra, the highest gallantry awards granted during peacetime. Colonel Basant was ceremonied with all military honors as on 1st August 2007 in Bangalore. So here, after he departed from earth to heaven, he was honored by gallantry awards Ashok Chakra on 1st August 2007 in Bangalore. He was such a brave person and a kind-hearted person too. I hope that you understood this chapter. See you in the next video. Before to just go, before to end this story, I would like to say that there is some activities you need to do that about A and B regarding short type of questions. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.